important light, which leads to the topic of today, that it may also result in selecting a a composite connector which combines features of multiple types. So this step says that in order to get the possible solution or the perfect solution, the architect may come to the conclusion that he might need a composite connector. So when we need a composite connector, we might we combine the multiple connectors in order to get a composite connector. So these connectors must have to be compatible with each other in order to perform the functionalities. So whenever we synthesize a new composite connector, we have to make sure that the dimensions are compatible in between the connectors. So we have to make sure the dimensions, sub-dimensions and the values have to be compatible in between the connectors. So instantiating dimensions of a single connector type by choosing one or more values for a single connector. So we will fix the values for a single connector, and then we will check into the matrix for the compatibility of the other dimensions of that other connectors. So for detecting the mismatches in the matrix, or detecting the mismatches between the combining characters, we need 4 rules, and these rules are requires, cautions, restricts, and prohibits. So the definition is in the next slide. So the requires rules indicate that the choice of one dimension in one connector species mandate that another dimension be selected in another connector species. So this requires rule says that if we select a particular dimension, it mandates for another dimension to be present in that. So we will see in the matrix. We will see in the matrix that where some dimension of a connector mandates the availability of the another dimension from another connector. So this is a very important point that I will explain in the last slide. That requires is a chaining rule. It is a very important characteristic of the requires rule, that requires is a chaining rule and is used as the starting point for constructing the base connector species. So it is important. I will explain that in the last slide. So and now coming down to the caution rule indicates certain combination of values for two connector dimensions that are required to be used in tandem. Tandem simple meaning is in the close collaboration. So caution states that whenever we use connectors in combinations, in close collaboration, so there are chances that they might result in unstable or unreliable connector species. So we have to be caution about that. We have to be it is kind of a warning type of thing. Now coming down to the third thing, that is restricts. Restricts rule is used to indicate that two dimensions are not required to be used together at all times. So it might be required. We might use at some time, but it can't be used all the times because there are certain combination of their values. So what values are these? So these values, when we study that for a given connector, we have dimensions, sub-dimension, and values. So if we are talking about those values, that there are certain combination of those values that are invalid, and that might result in wrong connector species. Now the last rule is prohibits. Prohibits rule is used to exclude any combination of two dimension from being used and indicates total incompatibility of the dimension. So prohibits restricts says that restricts says that some value of the dimensions might be invalid. Prohibits says that the given two dimensions are completely incompatible. So it might be wise to not use them in developing a composite connector while using two or more connectors. Now this is the diagram. These are the first 3 blocks. Next 5 are in the next slide. Now we can see here there is a procedure call connector, and will try to evaluate its compatibility with the remaining all the 8 connectors, that is procedure call itself, event, data access, stream, linkage, arbitrator, adapter, and distributor. Sir, so while going down to the procedure call, let us take an example that I need a connector. I need a procedure call connector for which I have selected that my dimension must be an entry point. I have selected that predetermined that my direction my dimension is entry point. So whenever I will take another component, another connector along with this procedure call connector whose dimension is fixed as entry point, we might have to look into this row. I will show that. Uh, this is a laser pen. So the entry point is this. So this row whole going down to this row, full row. So it will show the compatibility of it with other procedure calls dimensions. So this block shows procedure call dimensions. This block shows event dimensions, data access dimension. So whenever I will select the entry point dimension, it also requires invocation of the procedure call. So whenever I will use entry point dimension uh, with my connector, I will have to use invocation also. Whenever I will use invocation, I will have to use synchronicity also. So this is called chaining. So I have first selected dimension only entry point. Now coming down for compatibility. Now I'm seeing that for entry point I need invocation. For invocation I need synchronicity. For synchronicity I need entry point and invocation. So this shows that how chaining rule works and requires. Now this point shows the caution. Entry point might be used with synchronicity, but we have to use it with a caution. So there might be chances that using of entry point with synchronicity might result in unstable or unreliable connector. This goes same with the cardinality. And now this entry point with accessibility of procedure call shows that it restricts. So says that some values of entry point and some values of accessibility might not be compatible. They might be invalid. So this might result in complete falsely applied connector. Coming down, we can see here the blank boxes also. There are many blank boxes. So these blank boxes shows that we can do anything with that. There is no particular requirement for that. These empty cells in the matrix denote combinations that are possible but are not required. We can have that combination, but that is not required. That is not mandatory. So we don't have to take care of that. There might be incompatibility in between them. So coming down, so these are the first three, and these are the next five. So all these states are similar things. So I will show you in an animation that how the chaining works. So you can see here I have selected the composite connector for me, that is procedure call plus event. So I will use procedure called along with the event, and I have pre-decided that for procedure call I need parameters as dimension, and for event I need delivery and notification as dimension. So coming down to parameters, I need for parameters now I'm checking the compatibility. So for that now I'm here. Here I can see that for parameters within the procedure call I need entry point also. So I have to add entry point within the procedure call in order to get the compatibility for the compatibility to be true. Now along with parameters I need entry point and invocation. So I have to add invocation also within the procedure call. Now coming for the parameters I don't need any other requirements. So requirement says that these are the mandatory. So these are the mandatory dimensions that I have to add in order to get the proper compatibility of these two, procedure call and event. So now coming down to now I will have to check for entry point also. Now I will come down to entry point. I will check for entry point. So entry point entry point requires invocation. That is this invocation. Now, so invocation we already added. Now this requires cardinality also for the event. For the event connector, it requires cardinality. Cardinality we didn't add, so we have to add that. So cardinality is added. We need synchronicity. Synchronicity we had not added, so we have to add synchronicity. We have to add. We require notification also. Notification is already there. We will come down to invocation only because invocation is there. So invocation needs synchronicity within procedure call also. So we have to add synchronicity within procedure call in order to get the proper compatibility. Now going forward, yes sir.
Yes.
Sir, you said something.
No, no. You go ahead.
Oh,
Go ahead. Go
yes
ahead.
sir. So invocation also need notification. So we already require, so invocation requires notification. We already had added notification in the events. Now coming down to synchronicity. Why synchronicity? Because synchronicity was added because of invocation. Now coming down to synchronicity requires entry point, that is already added. It is required invocation, that is already added. It also required delivery. Delivery is also added in the event. Now coming down to now we will go for events. We have checked for procedure calls. Now we'll come down to events. Now for checking for delivery, we'll check that it requires cardinality. Cardinality is already added. It requires mode also, so we have to add mode. So we didn't add mode earlier, but coming down for checking the compatibility, we see that it requires mode also. So we have to add mode. Now for after the mode, we'll check for notification. So notification requires cardinality, so we have to add cardinality for the procedure call. So that's why we have added cardinality in the procedure call. Now notification requires delivery is already there. It requires synchronicity is also there. It requires mode, so mode we added in the delivery one, so mode is also there. Now we'll come down to cardinality to check that it requires anything or not. So cardinality here requires nothing. Now we'll come down to synchronicity. Synchronicity requires also nothing. Now we'll come down to mode. So mode here requires another thing, that is causality. Causality. So we have to the mode also requires causality. So we have to add causality. Now coming down to causality. Causality also requires mode. So mode we already added. Now we have to check for cardinality also, because cardinality was added later. So for cardinality from the procedure call, we see that it requires entry point. So entry point is already there, and it requires invocation. So invocation is also there. So we have completed that the requirement for for connecting these two procedure calls as a procedure call and event based connector to be compatible with each other in order to get composite connector. We see that these have to be required. If I select parameters and delivery notification from the event as my dimension, pre-selected dimension, then these all dimension have to be added. So these are the requirements. This all states that the rule, that is the requires rules. This is called the this is called the chaining effect, because from parameters I got entry point and invocation. From entry point and invocation I got the cardinality, synchronicity. So this all came down to chain. So, this is all came down. So the previous slide shows us an important characteristic, that is called chaining rule in the requires rules, in order to synthesize the composite connector. That is, whenever a new dimension is added, we must have to check for the mandatory requirements for that dimension also. If that dimension requires another dimension, then we have to check for the mandatory requirements of that dimension also. Yes, sir.
Okay. बहुत बढ़िया. I'm so happy with Rishabh Soni. Oh yes, that really very good one. जरा
Yes, sir.
बैक करो, बैक नहीं बाबू.
Yes, sir.
जो लास्ट स्लाइड जो दिखा रहे थे बाबू, लास्ट वाला. I'm very happy, Rishabh. You have given good effort.
This one,
अच्छा.
slide number
हाँ
9.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
ठहरो. विकास कुमार, आप आए हो? विकास बाबू, विकास.
यस सर.
हाँ विकास, आप एक्सप्लेन करो तो रो जो सेकेंड ब्लॉक माने प्रोसीजर कॉल वर्सेस इवेंट एंड इवेंट वर्सेस प्रोसीजर, ये जो डायगोनली दो ब्लॉक है, मेरी बात समझ में आई? प्रोसीजर कॉल जो रो में फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकेंड ब्लॉक, फर्स्ट रो का सेकेंड ब्लॉक एंड ये सेकेंड रो का फर्स्ट ब्लॉक, इसमें क्या सिमिलैरिटी डिसिमिलैरिटी है? वाई सिमिलैरिटी, वाई डिसिमिलैरिटी, बताओ. इसमें कुछ सिमिलर दिख रहा है, कुछ डिसिमिलर दिख रहा है. वाई? अब कराटे मार रहे थे ना क्या? ये ऋषभ बाबू दूसरा लोग को पढ़ा रहे थे, सोनी बाबू दूसरा लोग को, आप कराटे मार रहे थे? कराटे मारने के लिए क्लास में ज्वाइन कर रहे हो? आपको पढ़ने की तमन्ना नहीं है तो क्यों ज्वाइन कर रहे हो? बेकार पापा का पैसा बर्बाद कर रहे हो विकास बाबू. गाजीपुर में मस्ती मारो ना जी, बहुत मस्ती मारने के लिए जगह है, बोलो जल्दी। What are the elements in the matrix and how they are similar, how they are different, and why?
Sir, here is bias going proper, sir. So,
Eh? First row, second block, second row, first block. इसमें क्या similarity, क्या dissimilarity, why, and how the elements are being entered. इसमें क्या सब आपकी काफी नॉइज आ रहा है, आपकी क्या घर
यस
में क्या?
सर, मेन रोड पे सर, मैं बंद करता हूँ सर माइक।
अरे आप जरा म्यूट कर लो, ऋषभ का काफी नॉइज आ रहा है। तो डालमिया बाबू आप आ जाओ, आप देख रहे हो ना, मारो 2 थप्पड़ विकास को, घूम रहा है रास्ता में, पड़ता नहीं है। आई हेट दिस टाइप ऑफ बॉयज, आई हेट। पढ़ने की इरादा नहीं तो क्यों ज्वाइन कर रहे हो? Why? Because you are joining this type of course if you don't have any interest to study. See, same to you. हाँ, आ जाओ डालमिया, शिवम डालमिया, एक्सप्लेन करो।
हाँ सर,
एक्सप्लेन करो,
सर
कल रात को बहुत पढ़े थे। आ जाओ, बोलो।
सर एक्चुअली हम एक 1.5 हफ्ता से सर हम पढ़ नहीं पा रहे सर, क्योंकि सर थोड़ा सा तबीयत खराब है सर, कोविड हुआ है मेरे को सर, इसलिए हम 1-1.5 हफ्ता से क्लास भी नहीं आ पा रहे सर। हम मेल कर नहीं पा रहे सर, सॉरी सर, बिकॉज आइसोलेशन में था सर।
मेल करने के लिए क्या, व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम टू गिव अ मेल?
सर एक्चुअली सर फोन, हेलो, हाँ सर,
हाँ,
सर एक्चुअली मेरा फ़ोन में नेट है और मेरा सर जिम्रा का पासवर्ड सर लैपटॉप में सेव था, तो सर इसलिए हम आइसोलेशन में था, तो सर लैपटॉप हम कैरी नहीं कर पा रहा था, तो इसलिए सर हम मेल नहीं कर पाया सर। हम आज ही आया सर, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये हो गया सर, घर में फिर मेरे को और पापा को हुआ था, और आज पता चला भैया और मम्मी को भी हो गया, तो सर पूरा फैमिली अभी आइसोलेशन में है सर।
बात ये है ना, आप थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट पढ़ाई में नहीं, अब अभी प्रॉब्लम से,
हाँ सर,
मैंने कोरोना प्रॉब्लम ओवरकम हुआ ना, अब फिर भी चल ही रहा है ना, 2 वीक्स की जो
सर ये सर
क्वारंटीन
2 वीक का, हाँ सर।
वो कवर हो गया, खत्म हो गया, चेक किया, नेगेटिव आया।
एक्चुअली सर एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा ठीक हो रहा था, तो आइसोलेशन में ही थे सर, एक्चुअली आइसोलेशन में नेबर के घर में थे सर, तो सर आप सैटरडे से तबीयत ठीक हो रहा था, लेकिन फिर सर सैटरडे को पता चला कि भैया और मम्मी को भी हो गया, तो सर इसलिए आप फिर नेबर के घर से आके अब अपने ही घर में रह रहे हैं, क्योंकि सर सभी फैमिली मेम्बर को हो चुका है, तो अभी एक साथ ही रह रहे हैं सर। लेकिन सर वही प्रॉब्लम हो जा रहा है कि थोड़ा सा इतना वीकनेस हो रहा है कि सर पढ़ने का मतलब, सर कोशिश कर रहे हैं सर, आज जैसे आज से क्लास अटेंड करना चालू किए हैं, लेकिन सर वही बात है, आज कोशिश कर रहे हैं सर, हम क्लास कर पा रहे हैं सर अभी, बस प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है सर, वही कि पूरा फैमिली को हुआ है, तो सर वो एनवायरनमेंट।
14 डेज तुम्हारी कंप्लीट हो गई, क्वारंटीन कंप्लीट हो गया।
यस सर, मेरे को अभी 1.5 हफ्ता हो गया सर, लेकिन सर अभी भी वीकनेस और मतलब होता है ना सर, बुखार आता जा रहा है, आ रहा जा रहा है सर, लेकिन सर अभी घर पे है, तो इसलिए थोड़ा क्लास करने का कोशिश कर रहा है, ताकि माइंड थोड़ा सा डाइवर्ट हो पाए सर उस चीज से।
ओके, थोड़ा पढ़ाई करो, पढ़ने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, यू कैन स्टडी, ठीक है,
यस सर,
आप
यस यस
पढ़ सकते हो। ओके,
यस।
शुभम कुमार, शुभम प्रदीप कुलकर्णी। ओके, शुभम प्रदीप कुलकर्णी,
यस सर।
आप आ जाओ। हाँ,
हाँ।
आपका इंगुले भैया कितना बढ़िया है, आप भी दिखा दो, मैं भी किससे कम नहीं, दिखा दो, बता दो। ये जो फर्स्ट रो की सेकेंड ब्लॉक एंड सेकेंड रो की फर्स्ट ब्लॉक में क्या क्या सिमिलैरिटी, क्या क्या डिसिमिलैरिटी, क्यों ऐसा उन्होंने ऋषभ ने एंट्री किया, उसका लॉजिक क्या है, आप बताओ।
सर फर्स्ट रो में इवेंट और इवेंट एंट्री पॉइंट डायमेंशन के लिए
हाँ
required
फास्ट रो
cardinality.
प्रोसीजर कॉल की जो है फास्ट रो
हाँ.
की इवेंट का साथ क्या इंटरेक्शन है, कैसे क्या उसका
Event event के साथ. हाँ.
इवेंट के साथ
हाँ, event के साथ ऐसा यहाँ it is given that
या बोलो
it requires cardinality dimension, synchronization dimension for the entry point dimension of the procedure call, and for
why
the
it doesn't need a delivery, why entry point is not correlated with the delivery or causality or mode. Why?
Sir, because
Causality is not a important parameter for entry point. Why?
Sir, in the event row that we have, in that the procedure call, in that delivery dimension is given as what we call cautious dimension for the procedure call.
बाबू इवेंट का साथ
हाँ.
प्रोसीजर वर्सेस इवेंट में एंट्री पॉइंट रो में डिलीवरी में ब्लैंक रखा है,
ब्लैंक रखा है. हाँ.
हाँ ऋषभ ने ब्लैंक रखा, वो गलत किया ना, सही किया ना, ऐसा होना चाहिए ना, ब्लैंक क्यों है, डिलीवरी क्यों ब्लैंक है, why it is blank, causality, why causality is blank, what is the reason behind it, why?
Sir, because causality in that case, in the case of event, when we have there, we are having a restriction for the causality dimension in.
Restriction, there is no restriction.
No sir, not for causality, but for delivery we have caution.
Nothing, there is no caution for entry point row, there is no entry for delivery, there is no entry for causality, there is no entry for mode. क्यों ऐसे ऋषभ ने किया, व्हाट इज द रीजन, उसने सही किया ना गलत किया?
No entry for mode.
हाँ, नो एंट्री फॉर मोड, नो एंट्री फॉर कॉजालिटी, नो एंट्री फॉर डिलीवरी, ये तीनों में एंट्री नहीं किया। क्यों नहीं किया, और क्या अगर करता तो क्या होना चाहिए था, व्हाट वाज सपोज्ड टू बी देयर, उन्होंने इतना गलत किया, क्यों नहीं बताते हो? वो जब बता रहा है उसको क्यों नहीं, आप पूछते क्यों नहीं हो? व्हाई डोंट यू आस्क? आप तो क्लास के गधे हो, आप पूछते क्यों नहीं हो? व्हाई डोंट यू आस्क हिम? तो पढ़ के आए हैं, व्हाई डोंट यू आस्क हिम? ये चुपचाप घर में बैठ के खराटे मारने की आदत क्यों बना रखे हो? आस्क हिम व्हाई दिस एंट्री पॉइंट, आप यहाँ पर क्यों ये सिंबल लगाया, व्हाई? यस, आदत चेंज करो तब जाके आदमी बनोगे ना, नहीं तो गधा बन के रह जाओगे ना। पापा ने भेजा है इंसान बनने के लिए, गधा बन के बनने तो घर में बैठ जाता। You ask him when he is telling you, ask him.
Yes, sir.
अभी मुंह से कुछ नहीं निकल रहा है, मुंह में ताला लगी है।
No, sir.
अब तो बता नहीं पा रहे हो। Why those are blank? गलती क्या है तो क्या होना चाहिए था, क्या? ऋषभ तो गलती क्या है, बहुत सारा गलती क्या है, तो क्या होना चाहिए था, क्या? What should have been there? आप कुछ बोलो। ऋषभ तुमने ये छूट गया है तुम्हारी।
Yes sir.
Yes ऋषभ।
Yes
बोलो।
sir. Sir.
हाँ बोलो।
Yes sir. Sir, Sir, the blank empty cells in the matrix here denote that the combinations here are possible but are not required. They are not mandatory. They
Yes.
can be possible. We can add that. They will not add any compatibility issue to the connectors we are using. We can add that, but it is not mandatory. So why to add another to complicate the connector?
So entry point versus cardinality. Entry
Yes, sir.
point, that's a required. That's a
That,
required.
that is mandatory. If we
That is
if we if,
mandatory. That is
if I
mandatory.
yes, sir.
But whereas the for priority you have put it a restriction. They are put it a restriction symbol, right? For priority, entry point versus priority. Second block mein, you have put a restriction symbol. Reserve.
Yes, sir.
Reserve.
Yes, sir.
एंट्री पॉइंट वर्सेस प्रायोरिटी में आप रेस्ट्रिक्शन लगाया हो, रेस्ट्रिक्शन, राइट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
रेस्ट्रिक्शन लगाया हो, व्हाई? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस रेस्ट्रिक्शन? क्यों आप रेस्ट्रिक्शन लगाए?
Sir, the restriction indicate that the two dimension are not required to be used together at all times. That these are not required to be used together at all times. We might use them, but it is not required because the combination of their values might be invalid. Some combinations might be invalid, whereas the require shows that all the combination of those dimension, that is some dimension values, are compatible if that requires, and we add that. But in the restriction case, if we add these two dimensions, these are not compatible all the times. There might be some values in it that are invalid, so we have to take care of that. So that is why there is a restriction there.
Okay. So boys, you ask him. boys, कुलकर्णी, विकास, आप चुपचाप यहाँ खराटे मत मारो. ऋषभ आपकी हेल्प करने के लिए इंतजार कर रहा है. He is waiting to help you. You ask him whatever your doubt you have. You ask him. Mahendra Sharma. Mahendra Sharma. He is gone. Anyway, sure. I can't call everybody. I can't. I don't have. Okay, Jitendra, aa jao. Okay, thank you, Rishabh. I am so happy with you. I am really proud of getting such a bright ball. I am really happy with Rishabh. Okay, Rishabh. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
sir. Thank you,
I
sir.
give a clap. I give a clap. You have given effort. You have given effort. I give a clap. Jitendra, आप आ जाओ इवेंट को लेके. जितेंद्र.
Yes, sir. Yes.
आजा जल्दी आ जाओ. आप आ जाओ.
Am I audible, right?
Yes, very good.
Yeah. So we have 8 type of connectors. We have already seen them. I'll be talking about event connectors, like how event connectors will be composed with other connectors to get the composite connector. So why do we need composite connectors? Like in some scenarios, we need basic connectors only, like those 8 connectors. But in some architectures, we need composite connectors that will be consisting of 2 or more simple type connectors. So all of the connectors might not be compatible to be composed. So only few connectors will be compatible. And so in order to get the composite connector, we'll be discussing these relationships between all the simple type connectors. So in order to understand that, we'll be requiring some characters like representation, like requires, prohibits, restricts, cautions. The Rishabh has already told us. Require will be representing by this symbol, and prohibit, like these 4 symbols will be used for these 4 characteristics. So let's come to this matrix. So event first we'll be talking about event connector with data access connector. Like we'll be using some dimension of the event connector along with the some dimension of the data access connector. So data access connectors are suitable with the event connectors. We can get the composite connector from these two by using some of the dimension of event connector and some dimensions of the data access connector. Okay, so we can, as we can see in the matrix.
ना you have to show individually. रिसर्च जैसे किया था तब जाके ना पता चली। ये तो है, मैंने यहाँ से इतना क्लमजी है कि कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है।
I'll explain by one by one.
नहीं, बातें कौन सुनेगा? आपको दिखाना चाहिए। मैं बोला था ना, अलग अलग करके आप निकाल दो, अलग अलग करके इंडिविजुअली दिखलाओ।
Sir, that will be containing a lot of slides, so I'll be explaining from this slide only.
बताया गया, इतना दिन छुट्टी दिया गया, आप ना ये भांगड़ा डांस करोगे हैं? ऋषभ ने किया, आपको तकलीफ लग गया है? He did it, it is painful for you to show all the 8 different 8 row wise, 8 column wise. आपको तकलीफ लग रहा है? ची, थकने की इरादा छोड़ो। ची, stop it. I don't want to see your presentation. Data access, Nirmal, come. I told you to show all individually. ची, same to you. थकने की इरादा हमेशा, चीटिंग करने की इरादा। Nirmal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, come.
Sir, is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible. You have done individually like Rishabh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Nirmal could understand, Rishabh could understand, जितेंद्र को अंडरस्टैंडिंग में प्रॉब्लम है। चीटिंग की आदत। Okay, come. जल्दी
Sir,
high speed.
Yes, sir.
Go.
Here we will discuss about the dimensions of the data access connector with other dimensions of other connectors. The dimensions of data access connector are locality, mode, availability, accessibility, and cardinality. It can be seen in this diagram here. And the dimension interrelationship, as already told by Rishabh, I have also discussed about that the same way. So I am skipping it. That is the overall diagram, and it is the individual diagram for the data access connector. Here we can see that data access connector with procedure call is mainly filled with restriction and caution. So it is not suitable for the use with the data access connector. And we also can see that in event connector, it is also mainly filled with restriction and cautions. And somewhere there is requires, that is data access mode is required with the delivery of event and mode of event. Similarly, we will discuss about each as we go through. This is the procedure call connector with data access connector.
You make it full screen, and the
Okay.
picture is so small, not able to see properly. Make it full screen.
Yes, sir. Wait. Yes, sir.
The figure is so small, not able to give a clarity.
Sir, is it visible now?
Make it full screen, Babu. Make it full screen.
Sir, I've made it.
No, it's not coming.
Sorry. Let me zoom it otherwise.
Ma'am.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, is it visible now?
Full screen. It's not at full screen.
Can I guide him, sir?
Yeah. You are free to guide your friend. Yeah.
Yes.
Just go to the share option. You present it again. Go to the share option. Share content.
Okay, wait a minute. Yes.
There you can see browse. Browse option is there. Share
Yes.
below share PPT.
Okay. Upload from my computer.
Yes, upload from my computer and select the file.
Okay.
I think it should be in full screen mode.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. Try to learn. You
Okay.
learn in the process. Yeah, yes, good, 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 good. Yeah. So
Here
you are
we
saying that, yeah, go ahead.
here we are seeing with data access connected with procedure connector. The matrix, the relation matrix between them is maximum filled with restriction or caution. That is, mode is can be used with the parameter of procedure call, but with some restrictions. So so the matrix is as the matrix is completely filled with restriction or cautions, it is generally considered not suitable to use procedure call connector with data access connector. Here we are seeing with data access connector with event connector. Here also same as that of the procedure call connector, we only can see the mode of data access requires the delivery of event and the mode of event. Other than that, it is maximum is restriction and caution. So this is also considered not suitable for use with the data access connector. Data access connector with data access connector can be included only with the accessibility and cardinality with the locality of the data access mode. Rest they represents are the empty cells which indicates that the combinations are possible but are not required or not mandatory. Yes, stream connector with data access connector is represents a complete blank cell. There is no required or caution or restriction or prohibition. This indicates that we can use any dimension of a stream connector with data access connector, but it is not mandatory to use. Here you can see that data access connector with linkage connector. Here uh, it represents mainly with blank cells and some point at data access mode with granularity of linkage, locality with cardinality of linkage, and accessibility with granularity of linkage, and cardinality of data access with cardinality of linkage. So some caution that uh, it indicates that it may result into some invalid connections. Here we can see that data access connector with arbitrator connector. Here we are seeing some required connection, that is data access locality requires fault handling of arbitrator, and restrictions are applied on concurrency of arbitrator. Similarly, mode is required with fault handling of arbitrator and transaction of arbitrator. Availability is required with a fault handling of arbitrator and transaction of arbitrator. Similarly, accessibility is requires security of arbitrator. Since accessibility contains some values like public, protected or private, so these require security. Since private data are not allowed by other classes or other connectors to access, so it needs security of the arbitrator. Cardinality requires concurrency of arbitrator and transaction of arbitrator. Similarly, we can see here that data access with adapter connector. Here, data access availability requires presentation of adapter, sorry, and data access accessibility requires protocol of adapter. Cardinality of data access requires presentation and packaging of adapter. Here we can see the relationship between interdimension relationship between data access and distributor, and it represents an empty matrix, as I have discussed earlier, with like that of stream connector. We can use any number of combinations, but it is not mandatory to use it. Thank you.
Go back, go back, go back,
Yes.
go back. Yours is the data access.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
So first one, go back. Data access with
Procedure.
procedure call. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Data access with procedure call. And okay. Data access with procedure call. Explain procedure call with data access. How it will be same or different? Could you understand my language?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. Why you have made it all blank? Why have you done like that? It's not.
Sir, which one?
No, go back, which you are showing. Go
Yes,
back.
sir.
Yeah. This third, why you have done like this? It's not like this. The third block.
Data access with data access.
No, sorry. Procedure call versus data access. I want procedure call, row-wise procedure call,
Yes, sir.
and column-wise data access. The first one, procedure call. Go to the
Procedure
main.
call with data access.
Right. How is it different? From data access versus procedure call? That's, I had told you that they also you compare
Sir,
with column.
here we can see that data access locality mode
Mhm.
with a procedure call parameter, it represents a blank cell.
Yes.
Yes, but in procedure call with data access, we can see that it's a represent restriction.
And it represents restriction. Why? Why it represents restriction? Why it is a blank? What is the meaning of it? Blank means it's not mandatory.
Not mandatory, but combination is possible. We can use it.
You can use it. So
Yes, sir.
likewise, you have to justify what is
Sir.
the vis-a-vis row-wise and column-wise.
Sir. So with procedure call with data access, procedure call parameters with data access locality represents restriction. That means we can use this connector, but for some values it may result in unreliable connection.
That you should have shown it. I told you that the row-wise and column-wise, so that you can give a comparison. Row-wise, this is the matrix, and column-wise, it becomes the different. So you have to justify, you have to understand. Okay. We'll see. Linkage, Siddharth, come. Time is running out. Siddharth. Okay, that's all. You have done something, I'm happy. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Siddharth, come. Linkage. Siddharth, you have got a row-wise and column-wise also. Siddharth. Siddharth is there. Siddharth Rautrai, linkage, is absent. How? Siddharth is absent. Okay. I'm calling, is not responding. Okay. Rakesh, आप हो arbitrator?
Yes, sir.
आ जाओ जल्दी 5-10 बज गया जल्दी खत्म करो मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम लोग थोड़ा पढ़ो why all this relationship इंटर रिलेशनशिप कैसे बनती है हाउ मैं that's my intention yeah चलो जल्दी arbitrator
Okay, so as we are seeing that composite connectors in the same means after that I will see arbitrator connector. So first we will see what is the arbitrator connector. When components of the different connectors are aware of the presence of the other connectors, other components in the connectors, but cannot make assumption, means they are not able to make the decision about their needs and state. So there comes the role of the arbitrator. Arbitrator streamline the system operations and resolve any conflicts. Means they are acting like a facilitator. They are providing the service of facilitator. And after that, they can redirect the flow control. So they are also acting as a coordinator. So arbitrator provides service of two kinds, coordination and facilitation. So we have seen the different dimensions of the arbitrator like fault handling, concurrency, transaction, security and scheduling. So as we are seeing composite connectors, so we will see the combination of these dimensions of the arbitrator with the dimensions of the other connectors. So as Rishabh Soni has given all the basics, I will quickly go to that connector combination compatibility matrix, means how the combination is possible. So this matrix will give the compatibility, means how we can means combine the different different dimensions of the connectors. So the matrix is filled with the four types of entry. These are the symbols for require, cautions, restricts, and prohibits. As Rishabh has already explained all this, I will quickly go to that, explain the combinations of the arbitrator with others. Like let us start with the procedure call. So in the arbitrator, so these two bold entries in the dimensions of the arbitrator like concurrency and scheduling. So this represents the mandatory dimensions. If we are using the procedure called arbitrator connector, we have to compulsory include this concurrency and scheduling. And now the arbitrator can be combined with the procedure called dimensions, like parameters is a mandatory for all the dimensions, and this represents the cautions like when we are means we are using transactions with entry point, caution is there, means that combination is valid, but this if we are using this combination, this may result in unstable or unreliable connectors. Similarly, we can see that entry here, logging with accessibility. This is of restrict type, means this combination is totally invalid. We can't use this, and this is not advisable to use. So now the combination of arbitrator with events. So arbitrator with the combination of arbitrator with events requires the cardinality. As we can see the entry in this. This is the required entry, means we compulsorily require cardinality in all the dimensions of the arbitrator. And as we see the scheduling with priority, this is of restrict type, means this combination is invalid. Now with the data access, so here many entries are empty. This represents that this combination is possible, but there is no condition on that. Means it is not either required, not caution, not restricts, not prohibits. Means we can use this, but there is no condition on that. And as we can see that concurrency with the mode, means it is of restrict type, means this combination is invalid. Now we will see with the combination of arbitrator with a stream connector. These all entries are empty, means these combinations are valid, we can use it, there is no condition on that. So now next is the combination of arbitrator with linkage. The combination of arbitrator with linkage, only concurrency and fault handling is required with the granularity, and fault handling is required with binding, and next is logging is required with binding. Next is the arbitrator, combination of the arbitrator with arbitrator. So in this we can see that diagonal is empty means we are not going to combine with similar types of dimensions like fault handling, fault handling. So that's why these are all black. And rest are like transaction with security. This is of caution type, means we are if we are combine transaction with security, it may result in unstable or unreliable connector. Similarly, the case with the fault handling and security, and concurrency with scheduling, and transactions with scheduling. Rest all these sign up for require, means if we are using concurrency, then we must implement means we must means combine with fault handling, and this ampersand sign represents the requires, means if we are combining with one dimension, the other dimensions are compulsory. And next is the with adapter, the combination of arbitrator with adapter. So if we are means combining, if we are using fault handling dimension, the invocation is must, it is required. And as we can see, the entry of scheduling with invocation, this is of caution type, means this combination is valid, but this may result in unreliable or unstable connectors. And last is the distributor connector. Here only two conditions are there for logging and security. If we are means combining means login, if you are using login, means naming is compulsory, and if you are using security, naming is also compulsory. Rest all entry are empty, means these all combinations are valid. We can use this. There are no condition on that. So that was all from my side. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Rahul, आ जाओ adapter. Rahul. राहुल साहू.
सर यस सर.
आजा आजा जल्दी जल्दी. और फिर दो जन है, सोमू और प्रतीक. जल्दी आजा.
Sir, it is visible.
Yeah. Make it full screen. Make it full screen.
Yes sir. Yes sir. These all symbols are already discussed, so we will go to directly on the diagram. Here, adapter connector combination with procedure, event, data access, stream, linkage, arbitrator, adapter, and distributor, all 8. So we will discuss the first block, adapter connector with procedure call connector. This block contains 3 type of symbols, like required symbols and prohibit symbols and Kazan symbols. Required symbols define the necessity, like presentation dimension requires some parameters, invocation presentation requires some parameter, presentation requires invocation, data requires invocation, presentation requires synchronicity, and invocation and accessibility you cannot take together. This is prohibit. Prohibit define that these two dimensions you can never take together. Presentation and accessibility also you can never take together. And there is a Kazan symbol between synchronicity and presentation that define you can take together, but it will produce wrong result. Presentation and synchronicity, if you take together, it will produce some wrong result. And adapter with event, all the blank column shows that combination is possible but not required. So adapter and event composition is not required. Now adapter with data access.
Yes, Rahul, I'm
Yes.
अच्छा, तुमने ये कहाँ से तुमने लिया ये? From where you got this row? अपने किताब से?
सर जी डायग्राम?
हाँ
सर ये स्लाइड्स लिया.
कौन सी स्लाइड?
स्लाइड सर जो देवा भैया डिस्कस किए लास्ट लेक्चर में.
ना ये
Sir,
नहीं.
is there something wrong?
yes समथिंग रॉन्ग. हाँ आप जरा देखो, बाकी सब लड़के देखो. अडेप्टर वर्सेस प्रोसीजर कॉल. आप जरा देखो सारे.
Yes, sir. Book and the slides have different diagrams.
Book and slides are different.
Yes, sir. We have used book diagram. We have not used slide diagram.
हाँ आप बुक डायग्राम एक्सप्लेन करना चाहिए था. बुक डायग्राम थोड़ा डिटेल है. हाँ बुक में डिटेल है.
Sir, I thought both are same.
अरे थॉट करने से नहीं होगा ना, इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ ना बुक को रेफर करो.
First you compare it with book. If you will think, it will not go in that way. You have to compare.
या बुक में और कुछ डिटेल है. बुक में इन्वोकेशन, प्रेजेंटेशन, पैकेजिंग, प्रोटोकॉल. Invocation, data presentation and packaging, and then protocol. So it is different. And the second is your blank, but adapter versus event. A lot of entries are there. Lot of entries. You have made a blank. It's not correct. It's not correct. Blank. It's not blank. A number of entries are there. Adapter versus event. A number of entries are there. It's not done properly. आप check करो.
Okay,
Skip.
sir.
Stream. Then adapter come. Distributed Sumo. Sumo come. If you have done from the slide, don't show. Check it always with a book. What is there in the book? Somo. Oh, he is sleeping. Okay. Forget. Okay, absent. Pratik.
Yes, sir.
Pratik, you are present.
Yes, sir. Yes.
आप आ जाओ. प्रतीक आ जाओ. प्रतीक और नहीं, बहुत पूजा में बहुत मस्ती किया नहीं प्रतीक? You enjoyed a lot, right? Okay, आ जाओ. Stream.
Is it visible?
No, आया नहीं आ रहा है सर. Just come. Yeah. Make it slideshow.
Yes, sir.
Make it slideshow.
Is it visible, sir?
Make it
Hello.
slide. बड़ा. Slide show. तुम्हारा बाकी दोस्त जैसे कर रहे हैं.
Sir, now is it visible?
नहीं बेटे, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. स्लाइड शो विजिबल हो रहा है, स्लाइड शो में नहीं हो रहा है. और थोड़ा बड़ा होएगा ना. स्लाइड शो में तुम्हारा दोस्त कैसे, निर्मल कैसे किया?
Go to Windows.
हाँ, निर्मल कैसे किया?
Hello, Chandrakant.
या.
हाँ.
Yes,
means
go to
after,
share option.
Share, then window. Yeah, then
No,
window.
then go to browse.
Then go to
browse. Yes. And upload from system.
Okay.
Yeah. Then it will show in full slide mode.
Good, good, good.
Sir, so, sir, I will discuss stream connectors and how to select stream connectors. What are the various construction points where we can means make suitable stream connectors with other types of connectors like procedure call, event, database, linkage, and all others. Okay. So these are the examples of a stream connector. This one is a HD15 DB style stream connector, which we use normally for our laptop or CPU. Means for whenever we want to transfer a large amount of data, then we use this kind of stream connector. And the downside, you can see one charging pin. It will be used in laptop charging. So these are the examples of stream connectors in our day-to-day life. So now
Yeah,
I come.
just a minute, just a minute.
Okay,
These
sir,
are
okay.
these are the connectors, stream connectors in our day-to-day life. But
Yes,
here,
sir. Hardware.
here it is not the hardware. Here it is the software. How the stream connector acts as a software. These are a similar
Hard.
correspondence, some coincidence with the hardware part. But actually, in our software architecture, it has no cross correlation. It has no cross correlation. Absolutely not. These are for the hardware purpose. But
Sir,
we
using
will be using for the software connector. Software connector. Okay?
Okay, okay. Sir, I
So
just give these examples so that
some
everyone.
similar, but
Yes,
this
sir.
is
So that everyone can understand what I am going to tell in the further PPTs or slides.
yeah, but it is for the hardware side, but we are not bothered about the hardware. We are only concerned about the software, how a connector acts as a stream between two components. Okay?
Yes.
This
That
is a software connector. Consider it is a software connector. It is not any hardware device. It is a wrong example. If you are saying you are providing some examples, then it will be a wrong example.
Yes, sir. But
Because the
okay, sir. Okay.
stream connectors are the software connectors. In that aspect, in that angle, we are discussing.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
We are
Just
conducting.
that example, sir. I will discuss only software part. That is the example only, sir.
No, no, no. The
you should not
example
Okay, sir.
means the
Next time I will take care, sir.
and remove from your mind. Please
Yes, sir.
remove from your mind that
here
stream
we are
connector.
considering the components and connectors. There is no concept of hardware device in this software architecture, in our modeling. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for guiding me. Okay, sir. So, what are the parameters where we can construct our, what are the construction point for stream connectors? So these are the following construction point. One is delivery, other is format, directionality, and cardinality, and last one is state. So what is delivery construction point? So when we come to delivery, it's like best effort, exactly once, at most once, or at least once. What kind of delivery you are expecting from your components for that as asynchronous or synchronous system, whatever it may be. Okay, then we come to format is like either it is raw, means format is all about the data, the data that you are passing. So it can be of raw data or structured data. Then I come to directionality. What is directionality? As we know that data is flowing from one direction to other. Like in our pipes and filter, we know data will flow from one filter to another. That we use as a pipes as a connector there. So that is a one stream connector there in pipes and filter. And there also we can say method invocation that occurs from one point to facilitate that utility service whenever some Java dictionary Java object is used in some RPC. So what is the main features of that connector? What is the main features of that method invocation? So that is the directionality, means how your data is moving from your input to output. It can be from stub to stop, or from skeleton to some RPCs. It can be of many kind. Then I will say about cardinality. So what is cardinality? Cardinality of many kind. So stream connector also supports many kind of cardinality. That's binary or n-ary. Binary means single server, single client. Means server is always bounded to one client, and client can only use one server. That is server client. And what is n-ary? N-ary means whenever we use multi-server or one client, means multi-server with single client, or one server with multiple client. That is n-ary. Then I will move to next slide. So these are the dimensions of interrelationship that I will use in my PPT. So ampersand for requirement, choice of one dimension mandates the choice of another. Means whether it is required or not, means mandatory or not. And then prohibition, two dimension means prohibition with a cross mark, means two dimension can never composed into a single connector. Then restrictions means dimensions are not always required to be used together, but you can use them. Then it also say about combination, means about the combination of two connector, whether it is valid or invalid. Then then caution I will represent with this, or that exclamatory mark. The combination may result in some instability, means some unstable output you can expect from that relationship. So caution is for that. This is the stream connector. What are the various construction point or dimension, you can say, and what are the values you will expect. So as sir has discussed all this thing in last classes, so I will move to further slide. Sir, is it clearly visible?
No, it's not that.
I don't know, sir. Means why it is not clearly visible? Because
Pasted this once you have selected. After selecting it, you have just cropped and pasted here.
okay, sir. Okay.
And made it zoom in.
So can I proceed in this manner? Here you can see it clearly.
It is clear, but that view you have shown, it is not that much clear.
Yes, sir.
Right
so can
now,
I proceed from here?
Okay, proceed. Right now, little bit clear.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So I am going to discuss about stream connectors, and all the parameters are here: delivery, format, directionality, cardinality, and state. All I discussed in last slide. And then these are the further connectors. So I am discussing delivery with parameter. Parameter is known as what kind of parameter in context of procedure call is known as data transfer, semantic, return values, invocation, record. Means how records are invocating, as we known as a method invocation. So this is all the parameters. So what is the significance of this what ampersand here for delivery? So stream, in stream, as we know, delivery is of many kind, like best effort, exactly once, at most once, at least one. So as we know, parameters are of data transfer, semantic, return value. So we can say at any point, if we need data transfer or any kind of thing, then stream connector can be made suitable with this procedure call, as it is providing all kind of facilities. So requirement is like as we can say, it is a valid requirement. So it is ampersand. Then for format, for format it is not mandatory, because data transfer can be of any type, but format is like raw or structured, whether you are using raw or whether you are using structured. So if you are using raw data, then data transfer will be of different kind. So there will be some issues with the format if you use the procedure call connector. That's why it is restricted at every point. Whenever we use a stream connector, we cannot use procedure call for formatting. So then directionality. Yes, we require directionality. Yes, we require parameters for directionality, as data transfer can be in one direction to another, means from one input stream to another output stream. So one output stream to another input stream. That's why we need, sorry, that's why we need parameters and directionality. Then we come to cardinality. So cardinality, as we know, binary, n-ary means binary means one server, one client. N-ary means multi-server, one client, or one server, multi-client. So in this context also we need procedure calls, because data transfer all are mandatory. So we can make a suitable connector by selecting stream connector with procedure call here. And finally the state. Oh, sorry, I haven't discussed this point, state parameter, in the last slides. So what is state? State is like what is the state of your connectors? Means it is it stateless or stateful? As we know, stateless is when server not required for sessions, and stateful is like a tightly bounded session. Means server and clients are like tightly bounded. Means whenever client joins to some server, then only the server will start. Otherwise, server will not start. So that's kind of state is that kind of thing. So I will move on to here. So procedure call. So what is state? State is showing ampersand, means whenever it doesn't matter what is state, stateless or stateful. Data transfer is we can do data transfer. That's why we are using ampersand here. Then we come to entry point. Entry point only for directionality, because directionality doesn't require any kind of restriction, doesn't require any kind of other parameter. We can send the data from one input stream to another another input stream. That's why entry point is like ampersand. And cardinality restricts entry point. Why? So why cardinality restricts entry point? We can say, as cardinality is of many types. So one server, one client, multi-server, one client, or one server, multi-client. So whenever we do it for only one server, one client, then entry point can be different. Means accessing of that particular data or that particular session will be different. That's why cardinality restricts entry point. State also restrict entry point, because sometimes it is for stateless protocols, like rest, rest. So that's why we cannot use means entry point parameters of a procedure call. Then we come to invocation. Invocation format also restricts invocation. Delivery doesn't have any requirement. That's why I'm not discussing about that blank box. Format restricts invocation, because whenever we use formatting of data like raw or structured, then invocation is required. Means invocation can cause any problem, like whenever we use raw data and some user is asking for structured data, then we cannot use raw data for that. So that's why it is restricted. Then directionality has no problem, whether you are accessing directionalities from input to output. So whether you are invocating or doing entry point or for parameters, means data transfer, we can use this. And then cardinality also causance means it you can use, but you have to take proper requirement with, means whether you will use it or not, it's on you. It can create problem in further time in maintenance or at some other issue. Then we come to state also restrict invocation because it can be stateless or stateful, so on. Then synchronicity, delivery also restricts synchronicity. So why? Synchronicity means synchronous or asynchronous. So that time if you are delivering a service that you need best effort, so then you can you only think about means asynchronous, whether time permits or not, you have to deliver it. But that time synchronicity will come create some lot of problem, so you will restrict it. Then synchronicity, you can see in each of the box it is like restricting, because every time at the point of directionality, if you are moving from input to output, but it is saying like your data must be synchronous, you cannot access means one thread cannot access the other thing. So at that time synchronicity will create some problem. That's why directionality also restricts, cardinality also restricts, and state also restricts. Then huh, this is important because delivery at the point of cardinality. So in procedure called cardinality is different thing, because means how you are producing your data, that kind of thing is here in procedure call. And delivery is like something different kind of thing. Means how you are delivering your delivering means for it is best effort or multi server or one client one server or multi client, that kind of thing. So cardinality will create problem. So I will say means procedure call, it is some kind of means all the input you want at once. Means whenever you call for one method, you want all the input at once. So that will create some kind of problem for cardinality and procedure call. Same is for every other, means cardinality of a stream connector. What is cardinality of a stream connector? Whether it is binary or n-ary. And what is the cardinality of procedure call? Whether it is asking for all the inputs at a time or all the output at a time. So that will create some problem. That's why it restricts. And so on for state also. Cardinality will restrict it. Accessibility, you can see everywhere it causes mean whether you want to do or not, but it can create problem in further time, because accessibility always creates problem, like whether you want to access data or not, whether it is private, public, or protected. That's why. Okay, so you can see in event I have made other slides also. Procedure call, I made the slides, but I discussed in that only because that's suitable, because either here it is clearly visible. And event is like stream connector is only best suitable for procedure call. Event connector is also like procedure calls only, but event connector is for some different kind of things, like producers, observers, how event passers, personals, like that. So that's why we don't need this event connector for stream connectors, because all the requirements of means stream connectors are completed in procedure collector itself. Data access we only require at the time of mode, means delivery. Either it is delivery requires state requires mode or not. Means mode means modifiers, like equators or modifiers. So that's required, because whenever you are passing some services, some data, means for data activity. Okay, let's switch it. Yeah, here data access delivery. So delivery for locality, it is causes, because whenever you pass some data, and whether it is like means suitable or not, so it is like we always cautions it, means you want to use, you can at your own risk. But for mode we can we can say yeah, it is required for mode. And it also cautions for directionality, because sometime when you are passing input data from some input from some output data, or output from some input data, then it will require mode. So directionality will create problem. State require mode, because whenever it's stateless or stateful, your equators or modifiers will require. Okay, stream to stream is not a topic to discuss. Then linkage. Linkage also same as data access connector. It requires linkage for delivery on binding time and granularity. Yeah, at granularity. Okay, I will switch to here. Granularity. Granularity means either your data is fine grain or coarse grain, means either you are using a small part of data to pass from one server to another, or you are using some large amount of data. So directionality requires granularity. And all other are like not mandatory. You can use for granularity, for same for cardinality. In linkage case, cardinality is like means defines means is it providing that kind of linkage, or is it uses that kind of linkage? So for format raw or structured data, we cannot say that it is using that linkage that you are providing. So we always restrict that. And for cardinality, we caution this. And for state also, we require cardinality. Cardinality means whether the linkage is providing or not, that kind of thing. And for delivery, binding is required. Yeah, as we all know, binding means compile time binding or runtime binding. All kind of binding is come here at the time of linkage. So at the time of delivery, we require binding. Okay, then arbitrator. As we know, arbitrator are used for concurrency control, fault handling, transaction. So for stream connectors, we can see concurrency is very much required, because at any time, means how many means servers are accessing that particular client, or sorry, that client is accessing, so how many clients are accessing that particular server, that is required. So we can say, yeah, concurrency required for directionality. It is required for cardinality and also for state. Fault handling is also is only required for data formatting. Whenever data format, like is it raw data, and you only want that raw data will be accessed by your user, then you have to provide fault handling. So, and transaction, yeah, delivery needs need not be need not transactions, because transaction can cause some amount of problem, like if you are using best effort delivery. Okay, so let me give you some examples. You are using like delivery as best effort. Your transaction is like uh, you have to send amount to some other friend's account, and you are using like you sent 50,000 of rupees to another account, but at the same time server crashes. So what happens, at the same time your amount that you want to share, that will be shared to your friend's account, but at the same time what you have shown, like it is available to you. So that is some kind of means a drastically means a very big problem for any organization. So delivery is always prohibits. It not restricts also, it prohibits, means you can never use transactions activity for delivering. Then scheduling requires, yes, scheduling is very much required, like whether semaphores or whatever scheduling you are using for scheduling, whatever the parameters you are using. On my left here is logging. State always restricts logging. Yes. Is it, if it is stateless or stateful, then you have to require means permissions. So it restricts. Adapter, as we know, are used to means are used only for providing some required facilities. Adapter are that kind of thing. They are mainly they only provide conversion services of your connectors. So at the same time, we can say invocation and presentation are only available for delivery, because we need invocation and presentation for delivery of any kind of means data. Yeah, at the time of invocation of presentation, we need adapters. That's why we can make a suitable use summing up. Otherwise, they are going to otherwise they are ignored while summing up the stream connector. So this is adapter. Distributor. Yeah, as we all know, distributor connectors are not a connector in its own, but they can provide efficient services like communication or conversion of connector class. Also, we require distributor connector at delivery points and routing. Yeah, and at the delivery point, we need a distributing connector. And I'm going to that side because here it is not clearly visible. Yeah, distribution. So delivery, we cannot say the distributor's delivery. It can be of another type because here you are using best effort delivery in stream connector. But at distribution connector, it can be of any kind. So we always restrict it. And for directionality, delivery is very much required. And for cardinality also, it is very much required. And for routing directionality and cardinality both are required. Cardinality means whether one server one client or one client many servers, all kind of thing you will always need require delivery or routing means distribution connector. So this is the final I have discussed. So thank you.
Good. I was expecting little bit more column wise also, column wise. How is it reflecting in the column? How changes are coming up? For example, your distributed versus no, that is procedure versus distributor.
Okay, so I'm going to
Procedure versus
procedure versus distributor.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So on what point you are asking, sir?
How the relationship is being reflected? Row wise procedure, column wise distributor. How is it different? You showed row wise distributed, column wise procedure you showed. I want little bit different. Procedure versus distributed. Procedure versus.
Hello. Yes, sir. Procedure versus distribution connector you are asking.
This is not the same. Yeah.
Yes,
how it is being affected.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we can say distribution connector whenever we use distribution connector, like whether you are providing some kind of services, like we discussed in BitTorrent, we are yes, sir. You are saying something.
You should have shown it. How changes are coming up. How changes are coming up in the matrix.
Yes, sir.
How changes
I haven't made that.
Yeah, row wise and column wise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So anyway, we have made a lot of discussion on it. Please try to read yourself. We'll definitely ask question in the exam. 1 or 2 questions will be coming. Row wise procedure, column wise stream. Row wise distributor, column wise procedure. So something like that will be definitely and fill up the matrix. So question will definitely come. So prepare yourself, make a note at home, don't overlook it. Okay? Prepare note at home. Andrila, how is your health, Andrila? Andrila Saha.
Yes, sir.
How is your health? You are improving, you are doing well.
Yes, sir. Today I'm fine.
Okay.
As of today, I'm fine.
Okay. So I made all this discussion for your understanding only. How the interrelationship occurs between different eight types of connectors. If you understand this, then only it becomes easy for your lab class. What type of interconnection should exist. You should ask yourself, why am I giving the right kind of interconnection to bring clarity in your understanding in developing your software. It is your requirement, not my requirement. You have to understand why and how. That 4 symbols requires caution, restriction, prohibition. Why prohibition? Why caution? Why the 4 why requirement occurs? Requires why. All the time ask why. So make in your home notebook all the different matrices by yourself. What are the parameters which are associated with event, which are associated with the stream? Try to understand yourself. What is cardinality? What is statelessness? What is the different parameters associated with each connector? There are 8 types of connectors. How they interact among themselves, what type of interrelationship exists among themselves, and why. For everything you ask why. If you don't ask why, you won't understand yourself. Don't mug up. Don't mug up. You ask all the time why. Why this is black? Why there is restriction? Why there is requirement? Why? Then only. We have totally given such a long time today. We won't give such a long time for your understanding. Okay, that's all today. We took a long time. Therefore, you take the attendance. I'm quitting. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm quitting. Okay, tomorrow we'll be meeting at 4:15. We'll have the class tomorrow. We'll have the class. Okay. Okay, I'm quitting. Okay, bye.
Hello, how many are absent today? Please remove your PPT. Pratik, you just remove your PPT. Only 15 are present.
I have removed.
Okay. Only 15 are present. Okay. Please respond. Vikas, Jitendra, Asim. Vikas.
Present, sir.
Jitendra. Present. Asim. Asim Guleri absent. Asutosh Gupta.
Present, sir.
Pratik Jaiswal present. Subham Pradeep Kulkarni.
Present, sir.
Mohammad Rekaz.
Yes, sir. Present. Mohammad Rekaz present.
Present.
Yes,
Nirmal Panda. Nirmal. Present. Siddharth Rautray. Absent. Siddharth Asim. Andrila present. Ranbir Singh.
Yes, sir. Present.
Somasekhar. Ervuri Somasekhar. Somasekhar absent. Rishabh Soni present. Akshay Kumar. Chari. Rahul Sahu present. Chandrakant present. Shibham Dalmia present. Achyut. Achyut present. Hello. Achyut present. Absent. Rakesh Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Mahendra Sharma. Absent. Srilekha present.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. I'm just moving out. I'm just leaving. Okay.